Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, StockMarketMentor.com. Heck of a weekend. I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. Heck of a weekend for us, or a week I should say. And I want to talk about Meta. We put this stock on up on the active trade list a few days ago. I can't remember, to be honest, but hey, let's find out, you know. Okay, put it on here on the 2nd at 3:03. So that was on this date, right there. So that's when I put this trade on our active trade list. But I said at that time that this is kind of an anticipatory move because the stock has been trading in this range for so long, about a month, and there have been so many times when it's flirted with the breakout that you just kind of don't want to get burned if you get stood up. And so we're in, and then the stock didn't do much, but that's okay. I had said you want to take a small position. Well, today this thing finally blasted off, and so I put this out and said, you know, this is probably a good time to be adding that to that position, and if you do not own it, it is a good time to be buying it because I think this breakout is real. I'm just kind of deleting some of this stuff. And that's what I'm telling you right now. I think the breakout is a good one. There have been so much crap in the market. And I remember the other day, I think it was Wednesday, I gave you in this free chart video kind of a walk through the underpinnings of the market as far as breadth and sentiment and all that goes. And I do view Tuesday as being a big turnaround day, and my sense is we're going higher into next week. Beyond that, I don't know. I just know this. September is typically a sucky month, like it's the worst month historically. We're not in September anymore. Maybe we're not in Kansas, but you never know. We could be in hell. My sense is, just from the way things are trading, that you want to be in stocks that have a high relative strength rating. Like it should be 93, 95, preferably even 99. I mean, a lot of the stocks that we have on the active trade list are 98 or 99 relative strength, meaning even after all this crap that's been going on, they're outperforming 98, 99% of all stocks. So you want to be in the winners. Don't be in the crap where you're going, oh, I could buy this at the low. You could buy it at the low, and then you're going to sit there in the mud for how long? You don't want to be doing that. You want to be buying stuff that is looking like, hey, man, it's blue skies. I don't see any clouds. Let's go do it. And Meta is one of those stocks. So anyway, check that out. By the way, one other thing, I went into more detail with our members than I'm going to do here. But I'm gone the week after next. And when I come back, though, I'm going to be teaching a free webinar. And you're going to have to sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, in order to attend, because I'm teaching some things that are, in my view, really, really important. They will absolutely help your trading. I promise you that. And so I want you to put that, just watch for your emails. I forget even what day I'm doing it. But you'll get the emails telling you all about it. But make sure that when you get the email, put it on your calendar. I really want you to attend. Again, it's a free webinar, but I'm going to show you some things that when you're done with this webinar, you're going to have a very, very, very clear picture and a clear plan for what you need to do going forward. So you've been told, consider this to be the first marketing salvo. We'll put it that way. All right? Have a good weekend.